Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Some days are just too busy and tiring, and it's so difficult to sometimes whip up a fresh meal at dinner every day. And that's the reason I have a solution for you. I have this simple quick masala that you can make and store in the freezer or in the refrigerator. And I'm also going to show you 3 dishes which are going to taste completely different, and they're made from the same masala. What is great about this masala is I'm showing you how to make it in the pressure cooker. So what happens is, normally this kind of masala or a bhuna masala is something you put in a wok and you keep on frying it, so you have to move it around every few moments, and that's how it is made, by slow cooking, and then you get that taste. But I'm going to show you a shortcut on how to do this. Let's go ahead and watch it. So here I have a pressure pan in which I've taken 1/3 cup of oil. We are taking so much because we are making a lot of masala. To that I've added 1 cup of chopped onions and 1 1/3 cups of tomato puree. So I've just run tomatoes through a blender and then I'm using that. You can even use a mealy pot or an Insta pot to do this, and use the pressure cooker mode. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. If you don't have a pressure cooker or a pressure pan, you can use a heavy bottomed pan. You just have to make sure that it will hold heat well, and you cover it and let this cook. So in this case I am going to cook this on pressure for about 10 minutes or so, and then after that this is what happens. The onions and tomatoes are completely disintegrated, but you have a bunch of water or moisture in this. So I am going to cook this on an open pan. Move this around from time to time. So this will take about 5 minutes or so, and I want to show you what the oil looks like. So here you will see that the oil separates. That's when you know that your masala is ready and you want to store this. So I'm getting 2/3 of the masala out and saving it for later. So we are done with the masala now, and we are going to try to make the 3 different recipes that I was talking about, and we are going to quickly whip them up. You will see how fast and simple it is once you have the masala ready. Before you forget, let me remind you to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and there's a notification bell right next to it which you need to click twice to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. Otherwise, even though you're subscribed, you're not going to know when I add new recipe. I let 1/3 of the masala be in the pan, and to that I added half a kg of chicken mince, turmeric and chili powder, and I've cooked it here in the pressure cooker. So once that is cooked, I've added 1 tablespoon of garam masala to this, lots of coriander because I had it. You don't have to add as much. This could be one recipe. I would add a couple of teaspoons of the bhuna masala into this, and that would be a great gravy. Now let me show you 2 more variations of that. In a pan I have some of the chicken mince. I'm trying to dry it out, and in the meanwhile I've added 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Also 2 tablespoons of the bhuna masala, and you just let it dry out, so until all the water has dried. And this is kind of like a chicken pepper fry recipe. Now the other variation is the makhani one. So I've done the same thing. I have some chicken mince in this, and I've added 1 teaspoon of cashew powder, which I always store in my refrigerator, some extra tomato puree. You're going to let this cook a little bit so that the raw taste of the puree goes away. While it's cooking, you want to add some cream. This thickens it and gives it that pale color. Also some kasuri methi, which is typical of a makhani gravy, and some more of the bhuna masala. So now we have lovely makhani gravy ready. So you can see that we have 3 different kinds of gravies made from one common bhuna masala, which you can make once in a week and just store it in the refrigerator or the freezer. It will stay good for about 4 days or so in the refrigerator, and you can whip up quickly many different dishes from this. Depending on what kind of flavors you like, you can add the dry spices. If you think it was a great idea, share this recipe with your friends and family. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe, and we'll try this idea out. Let me know if you make this masala in the comment section, and also let me know what are the variations you tried with it and whether they were successful and how your family liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.